Welcome to another session of Communications and Networks, Unit 4, Equalization and Diversity. Based upon the survey of equalization techniques, the first class is going for linear equalization. Linear equalization. Here in previous topics, we have discussed about what is equalization, how classified in the equalization. I'll mention linear equalization. It is implemented based on what is the filter type is FIR filter. FIR which is used, right? How many types of structures of linear equalizers? Transversal, and lattice structure. Both are available. Here in this linear equalizers, the current and past values of the received signal are linearly weighted. The current and past values of the received signal are linearly weighted by the filter coefficient and sum to produce output. Sum to produce output. You see this one. What is the exact structure of a linear transversal equalizers? Structure of a linear transversal equalizer. Here, this is the exact total equalizer, right? Here, the input of the here input of this equalizer is output of the receiver. It is y of t signal. Here, the exact output of is decay. Here, this is the decision making circuit. The decision depends upon the threshold detector. Threshold. Suppose we are in this threshold, we are fixing that amplitude of a signal. Suppose peak to peak is 5 volts. Peak to peak is 5 volts. Exactly we want output. But receive the signal is only 4 volts peak to peak. Nothing, but it is not equal. There are no error coming. Next, again go for change the weights. Change the weights. After changing the weights, we are getting 5 volts or not. Up to 5 volts we want. That's why you have to checking the threshold value, either amplitude change checking or pulse checking, phase checking, likewise. You see this one, Z inverse, which shows delay, for different sections, and CN1, C0 like shows number of weights, right? You see this one, by applying the input signal here for different delay occurs. After delay occurs, we have to apply the weights. After weight observes, go for summation. All summations finally go to and represent a signal at output signal. Likewise, here to implementation of this, the transversal equalizers, right? In digital domain, we are using shift registers. To store current and past values. To store shift registers. Why? Because here in this linear equalizers, we are not using feedback circuits. That's why we are the shift registers. The output of this transversal filter before decision is dk cap, which is equal to, depends upon n equal to minus n1 to n2 cn star of yk minus n. What do you mean cn star here? Complex filter coefficients. Otherwise, it is called the weights. Otherwise, it is called the tap weights. And dk power cap is nothing but output of the decision making circuits. Next, how many number of taps in that particular one? It depends upon n equal to n1 plus n2 plus 1 taps. Here the n1 and n2 shows. It depends upon the number of taps which are used in forward direction and reverse portion direction. Here, the how much error we are getting, that is mean squared error, is expectation of en modulus of en square, which is equal to t by 2 pi integral minus pi by t to pi by t n naught by modulus of f of e power j omega t whole square plus naught. Noise. N naught is a noise. Here in this suppose we are applying a lattice structure for this one. What is meant by lattice structure? See this one. This is about lattice structure. Lattice structures, right? Here in this lattice structure, here continuously we are not using shift registers. Continuously not using shift registers, right? Here we are taking two functions for each shift registers. That is current value and past value. By comparing the current and past value, only have to go for next stage. That's why it is the structure is called the lattice equalizers. Nothing but in this lattice equalizers, we have the lattice filters which we are used. The input signal for this equalizer is YK. By cutting the YK output of the receiver, which is given to input to the equalizer, is transformed into n intermediate forward and backward error signals. That is FNK and BNK. See this one in this figure. FNK is forward direction. BNK is under backward. This is forward. The output of the first delay is this B, which is given to the first one. The final getting output. The output is given to the next stage. Next stage. Here in this lattice structure, F1 of K. See this one. F1 of K, which is equal to how much? Once we are taking out input here Y, this can be divided to two parts. One is F1K and B1K. Likewise, F1K which is equal to B1K which is equal to YK. Whatever input is given, the same input can be goes to two parts. That's why F1K which is equal to B1K which is equal to YK. Similarly, YNK, the last stage, YNK, nothing but which is equal to YK minus summation number of steps. I equal to 1 to n steps. Ki of Y of K minus I, which is equal to Fn minus of K plus Kn minus of K, Bn minus K minus 1. Here, what is meant by Bn of K? Nothing but it depends upon previous one. That is Y of K minus n minus summation I equal to 1 to n Ki of Y of Kn minus K minus n plus I, which can be simplified as B of n minus 1 of K minus 1 plus K of n minus 1 of K F n minus 1 of K. Here, finally, we are getting the output of this equalizers is d cap of n, which is equal to depends on summation n equal to 1 Cn of K Bn of K. See this one. The final output of this equalizer is dk of n. It depends upon the C value and B value. See this one, B value and summation of Cn values. This is about lattice structures. Here in this transversal linear equalization, it is a straightforward technique. But lattice structure is it depends upon the feed forward and feed backward we are applying. Here, by comparing these two structures, transversal equalization and lattice equalization, the lattice equalization is having more stability and fast and accurate. It is more effective as length and more accurate. But based upon the structure, traversal is a simple one compared to lattice equalizers. This is about linear equalization and the structures of linear equalization. That is transversal linear equalization, lattice linear equalization. Do you have any query? Type your query in a chat box. Thank you.